In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the issue with Steam where it won't let you log into your account. So let's jump straight into it. And the first thing you want to do is head to an internet browser. And we're just going to check the status of Steam to make sure the servers are actually up and running. And you can do that by coming to a website called steamstat.us. And as you can see, everything's online and working. But if there are any server issues or ongoing maintenance, then it will be listed here. And that will be the reason why you can't log into your account. If that's the case, then you may just have to wait until Steam update their servers. This usually takes no longer than an hour or two. If the servers are fully operational, we can just close down this window. And you want to head to the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings tab and you want to come into Time and Language. Underneath Date and Time, you want to make sure Set Time Zone Automatically is set to On. And then come to Network and Internet on the left hand inside of VPN. And you want to make sure your VPN is disconnected. As you can see, for me it says not connected. If it is connected, just press this disconnect button next to it. Then we can close out of that and you want to launch the Steam app by coming to the Start menu and searching for Steam. Now you want to make sure to right click on the Steam application and make sure to select Run as Administrator. Then you can try logging into your Steam account to see if that's fixed the issue. If that's still not working, the next thing we can do is check our firewall settings by coming to the Start menu and you want to search for Windows Defender. Click on the Windows Defender icon, and in the left-hand side here where it says Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, click on that, and then you need to click on Change Settings in order for us to be able to make changes to this, and scroll all the way down to the bottom here. And you want to look to make sure Steam is added to this list, and you need to make sure both private and public is checked. If you don't see Steam in this list, for example, let me just remove this for a second, then what you can do is you can select Allow another app. Come into Browse, and you want to find the Steam shortcut. If you're not sure where Steam's located, then we can come out of this for a second, over to the Start menu and search for Steam. Right-click on the Steam app, and you want to select Open File Location. Then all we need to do is select all of this up here and copy it, and then we can come back into our firewall settings, select Allow another app, into Browse, and then you can just paste everything we copied to find the file location. And then we just need to select Steam from the list here, and we can press Add. And as you can see, Steam has now been added. Make sure both private and public is checked, and then we can press OK. Once again, we can check to see if we can log into Steam, but if it's still not working, the next thing we can do is come to the Start menu and search for Run. Tap on the Run icon, and inside of here, you want to type in %, local app data, %, and hit Enter. Scroll down till you find the Steam folder, and you want to right-click on the Steam folder and select the trash icon to delete it. If it doesn't let you delete it, that's because Steam is running in the background, so just make sure to close down Steam before trying this. Now, you can try one more time to see if Steam's working, otherwise I have one more solution for you guys. The last thing we can do is come to the Start menu and search for Programs. Select Add or Remove Programs, and scroll down this list here until we find the Steam application. Select the three little dots next to Steam and then just hit Uninstall. Once you've uninstalled Steam, then just head over to an internet browser and you need to come to the website store.steampower.com. And then we can just reinstall Steam to our computer. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that's fixed your issue, but if you still are experiencing login issues, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.